Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a quick video today. I just came from the gym and yeah, we're just gonna do a quick one. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about Longchamp. And Longchamp is one of my favorite, one of my all-time favorite bags, designer. I don't know if you'd consider it designer, but I do because their stuff can get pricey. They have like top tier, low tier, mid tier. I think the ones that I have are like mid tier type. One of them may be closer to top, but yeah. And we have a new bag reveal, which I'm kind of on the fence about, but let's get into the video. So the first one that I'm going to talk about is the one that had the longest, and I don't know if to call it my favorite in the collection, but this is the Le Pliage. I think it's I don't know, it's an extra large or large. It's in the Cuir, C-U-I-R. I don't know what to call that. It has the top handle, two top handles, and a strap. It's like a duffel. Listen, I love this bag. I used it as a work bag, and recently my most favorite way of using it is as a travel bag. I use this bag as a duffel with all my stuff because I traveled to Texas in February for 4 days, and it looks small, but it held everything. This is the perfect duffel. It is complete leather. I think it's calf skin. It scuffs easily, as you can see right here. Right, those two little scuffs right there. But I love this bag. It's so versatile. It's so nice. I absolutely love this. It was, I think, $500 and something. I tend to buy most of my Longchamp in Antigua because they tend to have sales during Christmas, and I kind of just I can't resist every time I go into the store. The next one that I have, why is this on here? I have a mask attached to it, is the large Le Pliage, the shoulder bag. I use this for work every single day. Love it. It's the one with the leather pull on it. Love it. The black on black. Love, love, love. Holds everything. Actually put my lunch bag inside this bag. My water bottle, my umbrella, my toiletry pouch. All of that goes in this bag. And it's the typical Longchamp. The open pit with the pocket. There's a pocket here, big pocket there, and a smaller pocket in the front. Listen, I love Longchamp. The only difference, this one I think only has one. I may be lying. It has two pockets. It has a zipper pocket here, and it has a small pocket in the front. Very visible bags. It doesn't have the leather pull. The third one is I bought this in Christmas. That's to tell you, every time I go into the store in Antigua, I cannot resist. This is their Le Pliage City pouch. It's so stinking cute. It's a coated canvas. It almost looks like leather. Love it. It has a brown leather pull. Nothing too crazy. Nothing. It's just an empty pit on the inside. Nothing. I have a receipt in there. Listen, their bags are so versatile. I'm sure you could just take this, fill it up with your toiletries, put it down in this, take it out on a town, which I do if I'm going to dinner or something quick. I need like put my wallet, my thing in, and that's about it. I have 3 other pieces, but of course they're not here with me in the United States. They're in Antigua, but they're like 2 other Le Pliage bags, and one is like a cosmetic type case. Love, love, love them. So as you know, I love Longchamp, and I made a recent purchase. Here it is. And I don't know how I feel about it. because I bought it to match a shoe that I have. And see, in the picture, I should have known that it was small. I knew it was small, but this small I did not know. And yeah, let's unbox this. But now I think I'm keeping it. But here it is. I've never gotten a bag in a box, by the way, so this is the first for me. You see how small this bag is, this dust bag is? It is so tiny. The true color isn't showing up on camera. It isn't a lime green, it's more of like a neon citrus type color. And it's the total leather one version. It's like, it feels like this one. I bought this bag to match this shoe because I couldn't find a bag to match this shoe, and I love this shoe very much. See how close they are? They look very similar on camera. Love this shoe, but it's so small. Original price, I think it was $200 something, then it dropped on Nordstrom Rack to $179, and then I had a bunch of notes like to get some money off, so I ended up paying like $130 some, like let's say $140. I didn't expect it to be this small. So yes, it's this small. I want to keep it, but I'm not sure. I want to keep it for the mere fact that it matches that shoe, and it's the only bag that I've come across that matches this shoe. And it comes with a crossbody strap and all of that, but I'm not sure. I feel like it could only hold like credit cards or something like that in it. Let's see if my key pouch can hold my Louis Vuitton key pouch, which I tend to carry my cards in. It fits. I mean, it fits. It fits. And I guess I can carry a lip gloss and my key in here. It is spacious, you know, but it's just so small. So my card case fits, so maybe I will keep it. But I really do love this bag. I like it. I love Longchamp, but damn, I didn't realize this shit was so small and so, why is it so expensive? But in my mind, I'm like, I spent more and less before, like that key pouch that I put in the bag just now. When I bought this back in 2016, I think it was $200. So more, less money, less, more money. That's how I'm thinking. But yeah, these are what are in my Longchamp collection here in the United States. I love them. Tell me what you think, especially about this one. I love them. If you need a work bag, a tote, here you go. Or here you go. This can also double as a duffel. And yeah, that's my biggest thing about Longchamp. They're so versatile. There's so many things that you can do with them. I'm sure I could use this as a coin holder if I wanted to, but I'm not, because my card case hold in there. So y'all wear that, or just let me know what you think, because I feel a little guilty, you know, because like my partner and my cousin were like, oh, that's a little bit too much for something that's so small. But you know. Yeah, but that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you think about my new purchase. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.